Shalom, shalom, family, and aloha from Maui, Hawaii. This is your sister Chaya with some breaking Melchizedek news on this Tuesday, January 21st. I pray that you all are well. Family, I have an update out of San Diego, California. This is regarding a fire that has erupted in several small communities. They have issued evacuation orders. So let's go over to San Diego County.
Mandatory evacuations are expanding in Southern California this morning as two wildfires are burning in San Diego County, with powerful Santa Ana wind gusts creating dangerous fire conditions, officials are saying. Both the Lilac Fire and the Palo Fire started early this morning, and they're threatening homes and businesses. This is according to CAL FIRE this morning. Here's what we do know. As of now, the Lilac Fire has burned approximately 50 acres with a moderate rate of spread. The Palo Fire has consumed about 30 acres, and officials say they have stopped its forward rate of spread. But you can see right now what firefighters are dealing with this morning. We can see just how large this fire really is as we're giving you this live look out of San Diego right now. Evacuation orders have been issued for communities in proximity to the Lilac Fire. The causes of both of these fires are still under investigation.
So that's out of San Diego, and I'll keep you updated on that. Also down in the Gulf, that's right, Louisiana, parts of Houston, Alabama, they are seeing like blizzard conditions, family, blizzard conditions down in the Gulf Coast. Let's go over there to Louisiana and let's go over to Fox and get an update on this winter storm that is raising havoc down in the Gulf.
And as Kiana said, it is tough to travel. And that's where we go from beautiful snow to treacherous.
Hey, take a look at your screen real quick, because
that's a live camera.
This is an interstate. This is an interstate. If you didn't know any better, you might think it's a close-up shot of a two-lane road with a little patch of grass between that, patch.
No, it's Interstate 10.
It's an Interstate 10 in Henderson. And there are no tire tracks on there because it is shut down and the snow is piling up.
So there's a look at the road closures. To have I-10 closed down is a big deal. Thankfully, it's still open over the border right here, Texas and Louisiana. That's crucial for shipping. But unfortunately, you get through Lake Charles, you get through Lafayette, and they're shutting it down. Lafayette to Baton Rouge, I-10 is not moving right now. And then we do have closures outside of New Orleans. Can't hook from Hammond, which is on I-12, down to I-10 to get into New Orleans. And then I-10, the connector to get back up to I-12 out of New Orleans, is also closed down. So
Storm chaser Brandon Kopic here getting blasted with snow right now. Blizzard conditions definitely verified behind me. This is Interstate 10. We're officially I believe it's Crowley now. Interstate 10, I mean, look at it behind us. That's less than 100 yards away is that bridge over there. Nobody's on the roads, but look in front of us. Look in front of us. There's a truck on the other side starting to come. This is intense snowfall rates with gusting winds. It is absolutely incredible right now.
So yes, family, you just saw the New Orleans Superdome with lots of snow. They're saying that this is historic. So it is a rare storm in the Gulf. So stay aware, stay prepared, anticipate many power outages as this storm moves across the country. I will be back later with an update on the fire situation over in California, as well as this winter storm as it hits the country. You all be well, be blessed, and real love and real respect here from the Melchizedek Network. Shalom.